Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. I am so excited for today's video. We are finally getting into my special collection Pokemon Go box. Now this, if you didn't know, was a Christmas present from my husband, my absolutely most amazing, incredible husband who knows I absolutely love Pokemon Go. Now this is the Team Mystic Special Collection box, which is the blue one. I play as the red team, my husband plays as the blue, but when I spoke to him, it wasn't an incentive this buy to get me to change to blue. It was just the only one I think he could get hold of. So I'm going to try and see maybe if he can, through Whatnot, get me the red team and maybe the yellow team, and then we could do both of those boxes in their own videos as well on the channel. Now in the box it does come with sort of an advert for Pokemon Go and some rewards. I do play Pokemon Go, so I'm going to see if I can put those in and see what rewards I get. This is the back of the box. I just whacked myself in the nose then. So unhelpful. This is what the box looks like. How cool is that? So this is the promo card for Pokemon Go. I will show you it in more detail when I move the camera around in a second. This is what the pin looks like, and it's got waffling on the back with Pokeballs, which is cute. I'm tempted to keep this pin and put it on my lanyard for work. We have got 6 packs to open today, and all the packs are the same design. Here is the code card. I'm so excited to get into these guys. So we will be getting into these now. So let's turn the camera around and get to opening. Before we get to opening, guys, I did just have to show you this play mat that I got recently. This is a Mew Scarlet and Violet 151 playmat. And isn't it stunning? If you look closely, it's got lots of silhouettes of other Pokemon, and it is just stunning. I thought it'd be really nice to have down while we open some Pokemon. If you would like me to, I can do a full video sort of review on this playmat. It does say Pokemon trading card game in the corner. Isn't it just stunning? I can't wait any longer. Let's now actually get to opening. Let's take a quick look before we open the packs at the pin again. How stunning is this? It looks so cute. Here's the back with the Pokeball waffling that I mentioned, and it's got all the copyright. How cute is this? And then over here we have got the promo card. This is Trainer Blanche, and it's got Pokemon Go in the corner. Now this may be a card that you can get in the set, and this might just be a different foil pattern, or it might actually be a promo. I'm not sure. I'm going to assume it is because it's got the Pokemon Go symbol in the corner. My husband will probably know, so I will let him have the card and see what he wants to do with it, and he can assess the value. So as I said at the beginning of the video, all the designs of these packs are the same. We've got is that Clarify? Might be wrong. Let me know in the comments down below. Gyarados, Pikachu, Mewtwo. There's another Pokemon up there I can't remember the name of. He's a trainer, or the guy in Pokemon Go who gives you tasks and etc. You've got Apom. Is that Apom done there? And this guy, I can't remember his name. Now, this set came out during the, I want to say, Scarlet and Violet era, I believe. Here is the code card. Let's move our... Oh! Okay, so there's no energy, so I probably didn't need to move that to the front. So we've got Wurtle. They all seem to have the Pokemon Go stamp on them. We've got Pidove. Magikarp. I love a Magikarp, even though they're useless. Metal Tam. How cute is that card? Eevee. Pikachu. I might already have this card, but I will still keep it. Then we've got a hollow sort of foiled Eevee, a gloss pod, an energy, a Camerupt, egg incubator, and then we're back to the start. So, oh, here's a shiny, like, foiled card. So here's our hit, probably, in that, and the Eevee. Pack number 2. Okay, so I'm going to guess these. Bulbasaur! Need. And then collection. Squirtle, how cute. Bidoof, Bidoof, Bidoof. No! So, the card I'm most looking for today, but did not mention, is this card that's a peel card because it's a Ditto. Onyx. That one was not, by the way. Bibarel. Radiant Charizard. Oh, he is probably one my husband will want. What is it? Then we have got a shiny Blastoise. An energy. Slowbro. Puppytar and a Pokestop. Pack number 3. Eevee, we've got quite a few of those. Another Pikachu. Squirtle. Bibarel. Alolan Rattata. An Onyx. Melmetal VMAX. Very nice. Energy. Steelix. Candle. Charmeleon. And obviously the code card. This may, I'm wondering, to the yellow be Sword and Shield era rather than Scarlet and Violet, possibly. There's the code card, Metal Tam, Magikarp, Apon, how cute with all the Pokeballs in the background, Charmander, Eevee, Slowbro, Hollow, Lapras, these are shiny Lapras Energy, Camerupt, Exetu, Blanche, and we're back to the beginning. Pack number 5. A Lowen Rattata energy card, not energy card, code card, what am I saying? A Lowen Rattata, Wimpod, another Pikachu. I got 3 Pikachus for the collection. Squirtle, Metal Tam, Steelix. Oh, that's what's on the front. It's a Blissey. That's a shiny Blissey Energy, Chansey, Spark, and Ariados. Right, we're into our last pack, guys. Sorry, I am whacking the camera. We have got another code card. Then we've got Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu, Numel, Hollow, Venusaur, shiny for my collection, Energy, Lure Module, Ariados, Egg Incubator, and we're back to the beginning. How stunning are these? So I would say our hits today are the Melmetal VMAX, definitely, the Radiant Charizard, and that's probably it. We have had a couple of these shiny cards, but I don't think they're actually anything special. So we got 2 hits today, and this one I think my husband will be very excited about because it might actually be worth a bit. We'll see. But let's turn the camera back round now and we'll have some final thoughts. So guys, I thought our Pokemon Go opening was quite successful. We got 2 hits and 5 cards that I will be keeping. Yes, 3 of them are the same Pikachu. Do I care? No. I absolutely love Pikachu and will take any Pikachu card that I can get, really. And considering these cards came from a pack that my husband brought me, they mean a bit more. So that's why I'm keeping them. I am so glad we got 2 hits in this. These will be going to my husband. If he doesn't want them, I might keep them and put them in my little hits pile from like stuff he's given me. But that was a very good unboxing. I am so grateful for him to get that for me. I am going to ask him if he can get the yellow one and the red one so that we have covered all 3 on the channel, because I would love to get into those. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. And I will speak to you very soon, guys. Bye!